Go.Chicano Animator 2021 Enterprises Inc. Presents. David installs a virus on his dad's computer / grounded. And was inspired by Spectrum Anima 2021 and Sham Sundar 1997.
Man, I really hate my dad so much. He always grounds for stupid reasons. I wonder, what should I do to get my revenge on him? I know. I will install a virus on his computer. Ha 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 ha. All right. There's my dad's computer. Now time to install a virus on it. Yes. I installed a virus on my dad's computer. Yes. I installed a virus on my dad's computer. Yes. I installed a virus on my dad's computer. Now to run away before I get caught. All right. My dad is up for a surprise when he gets on the computer.
All right. Let's check on my bank account to see how much money I have left. Wait! What is this? Oh no! There's a virus on my computer. How did this happen? Wait! I know who did this. It was David the Bratty Kid. He installed a virus on my computer. Oh, he is going to be so grounded. David, get over here right now.
What? Is it Dad?
David, did you seriously install a virus on my computer? Tell me the truth right now, or else you are grounded.
Yes, I did. I installed a virus on your computer because you kept grounding me all the time. I'm sorry.
David the Bratty Kid, how dare you install a virus on my computer? That's it, you are grounded for 16 years. Go to your room right now, and I will tell your mother about this when she gets home from her yoga class.
Wow.